how to buy mantra chain token. So this token came under the symbol of OM. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, if you check this post from the MEXC listing, you will be able to see this. So as you can see, the OM to USDT pair will be listed on the innovation zone on the 19th February. So this token listed yesterday. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC on it and fund it with some USDT to benefit from rewards. So go to your account on MEXC, as you can see. Now go back to this post. Now copy the token address from here. Now go back to your account. As you can see here, insert. Now paste that token symbol. Now click on this pair, as you can see, to USDT. So what you need to do here, as you can see, click on this buy option. Now click on the limit. Here type how much you want to buy of that token. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and click on buy OM. If you click on markets, you can drag this to see how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy OM and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy OM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.